Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not working properly. So if your TikTok app is not working properly or took too long to load, so I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So close TikTok app and go to settings. Now what you need to do is to go to general. Now scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Now in here, scroll down and look for TikTok. If you can find it, click on show all and scroll down. You can also use the search bar and type in TikTok and open it. Now what we need to do is to click on offload app. Tap on offload app again to confirm. Now after that, what you need to do is to click on reinstall app. So this will reinstall the app and place back all the app data and documents that are still present on this phone. So click on reinstall app and wait for it to finish installing. You can also tap on delete app, but this will delete the app and all related data from this phone. So this action can't be undone according to iPhone. So to check the progress, you can close settings, swipe it, and look for TikTok app, and there you'll see the progress. Once done, close settings and open TikTok and see if that works. Next, what you can do is go to settings. So go back to the main page. Now, once you're on the main page, click on Wi Fi and see if you're connected to a stable internet. You can also turn it off for about 10 seconds and turn it back on and make sure you're connected to a stable internet or Wi Fi. You can also use data, so try switching between those two. And that's it. Thanks for watching.